Hey guys, I have an update for you regarding some topics that I've been making videos about. This first one was about the PlayStation Middle East making a tweet and putting the Black Ops 4 teaser on it, and then also saying that they wanted us to join them for the reveal event. Typically at the reveal events, that's when they announce the exclusivity for, whichever console is going to get it early. When it comes to big events for Call of Duty like CWL, PlayStation is always there to, help sponsor and run the event. And that's what this tweet sounds like from the PlayStation Mid-East, that, they're going to be a part of it and they're going to be there. After I'd made that video, some people had gone over to the PlayStation Mid-East Instagram account and had questioned them about their exclusivity deal and if they could say anything. And big shout out to Hardline. He's the one that actually went over there and messaged them, and he let me know about it. And so it's obviously all in Arabic, but the first thing he asks is, can you tell us anything about the exclusivity deal that you guys may or may not have with Black Ops 4. What's interesting is that they actually did respond to him, and if you go down to the response, basically what they said in Arabic, from what I understand, is difficult to translate from Arabic into English. Hardline said that their response was, "We can hint, but we won't." Again, the translation is not exact, and someone else had messaged and let me know that it translates into that, basically, that they can hint, but yet again they can't right now, and that they want to, but they can't. And how people that understand Arabic are, understanding this and translating it is that basically PlayStation knows who has the exclusivity deal, and they have that knowledge, but they can't say anything about it yet, but they really want to. Then Hardline responds basically saying, "Thank God, I'm at peace now. Thank you to all." It's kind of how it translates. After Hardline, makes the response of rejoicing because he's assuming that PlayStation did get the deal, they do respond to him with these two hearts. So it's looking pretty good for PlayStation players at this point. And I also want to give a shout out to Moosterd Gaming. He actually made a video about this, and he does talk about the translation and explains why it's kind of hard to understand, but his take on it is that yes, PlayStation got the deal. He does speak and understand Arabic, and I'll have his video linked down in the description if you guys want to check it out. And just to show how strong of a pull PlayStation really has is that the Tomb Raider series has had exclusivity to Xbox since 2008. There were some articles that went out today saying that there were some leaks, and the leaks are revealing that Xbox has lost the exclusive deal for the Tomb Raider series. That's a 10-year deal down the drain, and basically they're saying that the developers don't want the 80 million plus PlayStation players to have to wait a year to play the game. PlayStation doubles in sales over Xbox, so that makes sense. And seeing the extreme differences in, the sales between the two, it might be a situation where we never see Call of Duty go back to Xbox exclusively. More evidence that Call of Duty's home and exclusive deal is going to be with PlayStation is just to look at their YouTube channels. For PlayStation Germany, Australia, and Switzerland, they have posted the teaser trailer. So did the PlayStation Europe and also the PlayStation Australia. But when you go to Xbox, they don't talk about it at all on any of their YouTube channels. And they do post other stuff for like World War II, but they skipped out on this one. In other news, Activision spoke out about the possibility of a Battle Royale coming to one of their games. This information comes from a source that, typically we get some early information because it's regarding investors and shareholders. There was a tweet made by Sarah E. Needleman, and she is a tech writer for the Wall Street Journal. She had responded to an article that was written by the Dow Jones Newswire, and the Dow Jones is the stock market index. They posted an article on their Newswire talking about Oppenheimer funds, and Oppenheimer is a financial advisor and investment firm. They spoke about Activision, and more specifically how Activision wants to cash in on this Battle Royale craze. Here's the article here from Dow Jones, and Sarah from the Wall Street Journal tweeted it out and also responded. And what the article is saying is that Oppenheimer funds is going to boost the price target for Activision because of its pipeline or forecast of what they got coming. Oppenheimer investment firm says that they spoke to Activision and that Activision is keenly aware of how other game publishers have recently benefited from releasing titles in the popular Battle Royale genre, and the management reminded investors that the company is a fast follower. So basically Activision is doing their best to say, we got some good stuff coming, we know stuff that makes money, and we're going to make money on it too, so investors feel secure that you can invest in us because we're going to be jumping on board with this Battle Royale. And Sarah Needleman of the Wall Street Journal apparently can read between the lines pretty well too, and she says, which Activision Blizzard game do you think might get a Battle Royale mode first? I know there's been a lot of negativity surrounding the idea of Battle Royale coming to a Call of Duty, but I honestly think it will do pretty well just because it is so popular and people are going to be curious about it. And the format that they already have in beta testing is actually really good, and hopefully you guys will love it too. But let me know what you guys think about this, and we'll see you next video.